Hello, welcome to another episode of Volkswagen Classics. In today's episode, I'm going to be doing some cleaning up on the Beetle. We're going to begin bracing. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do today is pick up right where I left off. Using the flap disc, I'm going to clean up just head channel right here. Alright, next we need to clean up these bits here. We're using these to brace up the Beetle body. I'm going to get the flap disc on each end. Alright, I finished cleaning up the ends. There, have a look. We clean these so we can weld and, you know, paint doesn't burn off and stuff. So I've cleaned up all the rest, and now we're probably ready to start bracing. just had to quickly go up to the house to photocopy these 2 bits of paper right behind me, which have all the basic dimensions for bracing the Volkswagen Beetle 1. Now, these dimensions came out of the legit Volkswagen 1200 book. The reason we photocopied this is because we don't want to get the original pages all, you know, dirty and greasy and all sorts of things down the shed. So we just photocopied something that can, you know, get dirty or whatever. But as long as it gives us the same information as factory, you know, specs, it's all good. Alright, so we've started most of the bracing here. We've gotten all these pieces in. We're going to have some uprights on both doors and one going across. But yeah, got the start the bracing in. Alright, have a look at that. All the bracing is done. 2 uprights, 2 across, 2 in the doors, 2 diagonals. Yeah, ready to start the heat channels. Alright, this is the end of my video. Thank you all for watching. It's been a very progressive day today. Hopefully, if we do it tomorrow, we have such a progressive day. Other than that, thank you all for watching.